Best 5 Proven Ways to Make Money with Affiliate Marketing, 2025. Are you tired of watching videos that only tell you the theory of affiliate marketing without showing you real ways to make money? Well, in this video, I'm giving you 5 proven strategies that actually work, even if you're a beginner, even if you have no website. Let's dive in. Hey there. Welcome back to the Norby Pole TV. My name is Norby, and I help people like you make money online using smart and simple strategies. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss future content like this. Let's dive in. 1. YouTube reviews and tutorials. Record simple videos reviewing a product or showing how to use it. Accompany your affiliate link in the description. Write example. How to use Canva for free designs. Write in Canva affiliate link. You don't need to show your face. Screen recordings work. 2. Blogging or Medium articles. Write helpful articles comparing products or solving problems. Carry free platforms like Medium.com or Blogspot.com if affiliate links naturally in your content. Reluct example. Top 5 budget microphones for YouTube Amazon links. 3. Social media promotions. Carry platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook to share short, informative, or funny videos. Carry affiliate links in bio or comments. Commune, best phone holder for content creators. Link in bio. 4. Email marketing, even without a website. Collect emails using a free lead magnet, example free ebook or checklist. Even use free tools like MailChimp or System.io. Accord helpful content and product recommendations via email. A crap for long-term passive income. 5. Affiliate marketplaces. Use free traffic. Websites like Digistoro.com, ClickBank, and JVZoo. Accommodate trending products using Facebook groups, Quora Answers, or Reddit. Provide value. Don't spam. So which one of these 5 ways are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want a step-by-step video on how to get started with affiliate marketing as a beginner, comment in the comment section. I need to startness of 5% and the passive income. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.